So guys, welcome to my channel. So first method guys, restart your system. After start your system, change your internet connections, use different network. Okay, next, clean browser cookies, like open in browser which is you using, click to three dot, go to history, then select everything, history, cookies. Okay, then clear, then close it. Okay, next, run clean boot, windows r services.msc msconfig, then services, show hidden, disable all, apply and okay. Then flush DNS and reset network setting. So click start and type cmd. Okay, type ip config space slash flush dns and hit enter. ip config space slash flush dns, then again type release, then again type renew, then net win shock reset, and then close it. So this is a sfc scanner. So how to run, this is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open cmd, click to start and type cmd, right click to run as administrator, then yes. So this is first command. Okay, copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay, so step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, Then last